Hey traders, a quick heads up here on net gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. So finally the price hit the level of resistance here on capital.com, and now as mentioned in my yesterday's video that I was expecting a price to head higher, and that has happened. It hit my area of value. So let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots. It is still intact with the trend. So I'm still expecting a price to push higher and hit the zone above, which is right here. 3.0047 goes up to 3.092. From where we're going to look for sell trades with conditions like bearish engulfers, double top, 382 candle. As you know, these are the conditions I look for my sell trade. For now, I'm just looking for the price to head higher. Awesome. So price has nicely pushed higher, and if you have managed this trade, then you have made some money. Right here it did pushed up nicely, more than 1-to-1, and now hit the level of resistance we've been waiting for. Now at this point I've already sent these zones to my members as well in the priority group, not last week, 2 weeks ago, and they should have these zones ready on their charts. Now at this point, what to expect? So as always, I want to see a next candle closed as a bearish engulfer. Must be an engulfing candle that fully engulfs the previous candle, that includes the wick as well. Once we have that, we are good to go short for aggressive entry. If you're not an aggressive trader and you say you want to wait for a less aggressive way, you want to wait for an extra confluence, that will be a push up, pullback, and then a formation of double top pattern. Now the confluence number 1, the price hit the zone. The number 2, we have a nice overbought situation in the RSI. Now the confluence number 3, the technical factor number 3, I want to see a nice bearish engulfer or a double top pattern. In that case, we might have an RSI divergence. If that happens, we are good to go short. So this is the area. Now I'm looking for my sell trades only, and now I won't be taking big targets. I'll go fixed target, and then if you want to manage it, you can manage it. It's totally up to you. And the targets will be 180. So number is 3.8. The targets can be 3.8. You can add some numbers with that accordingly, but I'll keep my stop loss above the wick, take profit 1, and then you can manage it accordingly. Now if there is no conditions, no entry, let's say we do not have any sort of bearish engulfing pattern, nothing, and we just get a normal pullback, after that we get a nice bullish engulfing pattern. If that happens, I'm going to take long trade till we get hit of another top and possible formation of a double top. So don't get confused. Either I want to see a nice candle as a bearish engulfer here. If that happens, we are good to go short. And if we have a pullback, just a normal pullback without any condition, then I want to see a bullish engulfer to take another long trade and keep on taking longs until the price hit the zone. If broke above this high, then we have a likely chance the price will hit the next upper level of this resistance. So this resistance level, in case you are brand new here, is 3.0047, goes up to 3.092. This is the zone from where we are looking to enter a sell trade, and now the price in this area of value. Now here on Ovanda, I know the zone is quite high, but if I see a condition on capital.com, we are good to go short according to the ATR. So again, this is the minor resistance here according to this platform. If we have a next candle as a bearish engulfer, then we have a signal here, and the targets can be again 180. If you have a pullback above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, and then we have another buy signal, and keep on taking longs until we hit the next level of resistance. So that is what I'm looking at. Next one, we have gold. So gold is pushing higher nicely, and now in a process of a pullback. We can get another pullback, a good pullback that can possibly hit 20 EMA right here, and then a formation of another bullish engulfer. If that happens, I'm going to take long trades. So these are all invalid trades. This bullish engulfer is invalid. This bullish engulfer is invalid as well, because according to my strategy rule, it is an invalid bullish pattern, and if you are my student in MMTA full course, you know why, and one of the rule is not met here. So price can still push higher after a pullback. If you have a pullback hit of 20 EMA or 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfer, I'm going to take another long trade with 180 target initially, and the next minor zone is 1945.08, goes up to 1951.01, from where I'm going to take another sell trade, just a pullback that might be enough to hit our targets, and then we can head towards a next level of resistance, which I'm going to mention in my next videos. Silver is also in the process of a pullback. Now we can get a possible candle or confirmation like one red candle and then next candle as a bullish engulfer. If we have that, we are good to go long. If there is no entry, I'm also paying attention to a double bottom, a possible double bottom formation. If that happens, we have another condition. So all I need to see a condition above 50 EMA for buy. If there is no condition, I'll wait, and I want to see another high break above this high, then a pullback, and then I'll keep on taking long. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at, only looking for buy trades for now as long as we are above 50 and 20 EMA both. Finally, what do we have? Nice hit of the zone, with that a nice bearish engulfing pattern. So according to that, as mentioned in yesterday's video, let's see what I've said so that we can understand conditions and entries. Is pushing up nicely in a trend. I'm still paying attention to my major zone, a major area of value from where we can get a very nice conditions, a possible conditions like bearish engulfers double top, and the zone above which is 93.05 goes up to 95.99, from where you can look for your sell trades. For now, only looking for buy conditions. So we had a nice bearish signal, we have a bearish engulfer, and with that, what I personally do, I keep my stop loss above the wick and then go 1-to-1 for my initial targets, and then we can manage the trades accordingly. Price can still push down, that can be a pullback, push down, and then for a reversal I want to see a complete break and close below 50 EMA, and then price will likely head lower to the next level of support. For now, we have a good signal for aggressive traders. If you're not an aggressive trader, you can look for a double top and then wait for a next bearish engulfer, and then you can enter your trades according to that pattern. For now, the price has created a nice signal and I'm expecting a price to head lower. So that's it for commodities, guys. I hope you're getting value out of my videos. If yes, do not forget to hit the like button for me. It really helps me in the YouTube algorithm. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.